Hi, my name is Nicolás Tovar. I'm from 9B and today I'm going to present Biomedicine's future value in Los Andes. Well, nowadays the career that I want, that is Biomedicine in Los Andes, it is costing 17,968,000 Colombian pesos. But we need to know the future value of this semester, so we must apply the formula, that is the formula of Euler of future value. Well, in order to know what is the future value of the semester in Los Andes, I apply the formula of the future value. Here you can see the process, and the final result of the future value of the semester is 19,652,000 Colombian pesos. But how I'm going to earn that money? Well, the answer is very simple. I'm gonna save. I think that I'm too young to invest my money, so I'm gonna save working in any enterprise that I could enter, and when I enter to the university, I'm gonna make a loan for the bank for 4 months, semester per semester, in order to pay my university. Well, each semester of biomedicine costs 19 million, so I have to pay that maximum in 6 months. So I decided to have a loan for 4 months. This 19 million is divided in 4 for the 4 months, and this is the amount that I have to pay per month. That is 4,913,000 Colombian pesos per month. Well, here you can see this table that has payments, balance, and the interest that I have to pay. Let's say that in a hypothetical case, the interest rate is 0.66%. So the first month I have to pay the interest, that is 129,000, because the bank loans me all of the money, so the interest is gonna be higher. But month by month I'm going to be paying the 4 million that I have to pay per month, and the interest is gonna be lower because the loan of the bank is gonna be lower also. For example, here the balance is in 19 million, but in the next month I pay the 4 million that I loan, and the interest is multiplied just by the 14 million, and the interest is gonna be less. Then I'm going to be paying all the months, since the balance is going to have is 0. So the sum of all of these interests is going to be 324,258 Colombian pesos. In summary, I'm going to be working while I'm studying in Los Andes, maybe in the night, in order to save money to pay this simple process, that is a loan for the bank. And that's it. Thank you for listening, and have a nice day.